Hey there, Ron this side. Welcome to this full Restream tutorial for beginners. Restream is a game-changing platform that lets you live stream to multiple platforms at once. For example, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, and more. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or small business owner, this guide will teach you how to stream smarter, save time, and grow your audience. So first of all, let's talk about the pricing because it's not 100% free. You can do multi-stream on 2 channels in the free version, right? And obviously it only supports local recording here. The second one is a $16, $40, and $200, right? Now let's go and click on get started on the top right side corner. I will use my Google account because it's easy and seamless to create an account. You can use a normal email address too if you want, right? Simply go and click on continue. Now, as we know, Restream simplifies live streaming by allowing you to broadcast to 30 plus platforms simultaneously at the same time. Now, multi-streaming, that's like crazy. Go live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch with one click. There's a custom branding. You can add logos, overlays, and background, right? So let me just close this up. You can come to this website and you can check out everything by yourself. Now on the left side, this is my account. It will show it is free. I can invite members. Obviously, if you have a team, you can assign them a task, right? You can give them specific tasks to create stream and everything. This is default. This is a workspace. So for example, if you have paid version, you can create more than workspace. Now workspace makes it very simple and easy because in a workspace, let's say I'm streaming only to YouTube, right? Let's say I'm streaming one content to different platforms, let's say YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and everything. Now I will create another workspace, right? And that's a paid version, by the way, and you can stream another content there, right? So you can just make it very simple and designated view, right? Now this is a home, and it will show you all the stream which is available here. This is drafts, schedule, and everything. And if you have done any kind of past stream, will show up here. Right now it's 0 because this is a new account. This is a video storage, so you have to upload a video, right? And I will show you how everything works. Now you have to connect with channels. Here you can see Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter, and everything here. This is analytics. It will show everything, how many views you have got, right? Obviously you can view analytics on Google Studio, not sorry, YouTube Studio, and Facebook has their own analytics, so you can check it there. But yeah, Restream also provide you these features, and it's take a very few seconds to reload. Now let's get back to the dashboard here. Just go and click on default. Let's go to the home here. Now I will just go and click create a new stream. So this is a Restream Studio. It will help you to stream directly from your browser, right? And you don't have to download the application just like OBS or something like that. This is the encoder, so go live from OBS if you're streaming, right? Or that is how, if you're streaming gaming, or if you're just doing a normal streaming just like ISO speed, you can do it, right? Now this is a video playlist, so if you're streaming a playlist, a number of videos, right, and it should change after completing the first video, it should automatically move to the next video. I mean, this is helpful while streaming the songs and everything. Now this is record audio and video. So let's say you can upload a video, you can record it, and you can set schedule, right? You can upload that video and you can just go live there. So this is how actually it's happened. So if I just go and click on Restream Studio, right, it will click on, it will say putting everything together. Let's wait. Now you have to allow microphone and cam access, so let's go and click on allow here. Make sure you just allow it up, right? Now you have to just wait for permission. I cannot show you my camera, but yeah, this is how this, I can just turn this off video, and I can turn my audio here. I can just enter my name and click on enter studio. So this is the exact interface. Let's say you are playing a game and you can stream it like this, right? And let's say you want to add 2 tabs or 2 tabs simultaneously, right? You can see there's a different formats here. It will show my face, and as well as it can show with the capture and everything, right? So first of all, you can share your screen, right? This is an invite. You can invite your team member. You can just go and click on press icon, and you can share your screen. You can add extra camera. Now once I just go and click on turn on record, so automatically it will record and save it to the Restream storage. Now where it is going to stream, right? So I have to add a scene first of all. So let's just go and click on add a scene. If you don't know what is a scene, just like if you're using OBS, then it will become really easy. You can see I'm recording this, right? And inside this is called scene, right? And just for this is only for file X, which you can see here, right? And this is audio, then there's a desktop audio, right? So I think it will be easy. Let's say I will just add here media, or let's say camera or countdown, right? So this is a welcome screen, then this is a new scene you can create, this is a demo, right? So I can just add a video here, or I can share my screen, right? So I can just go and share my screen. Let's say I want to let's say I want to stream here YouTube. So I can just go and click on stream here. It will show up everything here, right? Or I can stream my entire window, entire screen directly from here. But I know most of the people, most of the streamers doesn't use Restream for it. You can use a normal OBS, which is pretty good. And here you can just add a video and everything, right? But to stream it, now you have to add a channel. So let's go and click on channel to connect a YouTube. Let's say just go and click on connect, and you have to click on connect here. It will give an option to connect it up. So let's go to the connect option here. Now let's say I want to connect with this normal ID. So I will just go and click on here. I have to give a sort of access. Now which channel? So I have to give this channel, right? So I will select reduce media, click on continue, and here again click on continue. Right, so actually there's some kind of error, but in your case it will be exactly, you will able to connect, because I don't have a channel on that email address, right? That's a reason, but in your case it will get connected. Now you can schedule, and you can simply, you can schedule, you can write the title, description, right? And you can just go to next. If you have created a stream on YouTube, then this is pretty much very similar dashboard here. Now you can just go and click on simply live. You can also check it how it will look over the phone. You can add and you can change here, right? If you're streaming on shorts or reels or TikTok live, so you can just do like this. Now let's go back and let's check out the other way to stream our videos. Let's say I will just go and click on stream here, and everything is same. If this is an encoder, right? So this is for the videos and playlist. Whatever I've explained you in the restream section, it exactly same. Now let's say this is record audio and video here, so I can upload a video and audio, and I can stream it, and I can be anywhere. It doesn't have to be on real time on camera, right? I can just record it and put it, right? So this is how you can do so, and let me show you. So you can add scenes just like it. Right now, first of all, you have to click on start recording, so you can record it on the trial version. So there's only 15 minutes. You can record it live and just put a video, right? And this is a very simple, and simply just go and click on live, so automatically it will be live. But there's a more option. You can add a caption, QR codes, right, for the payments, music, and there's a lot of things, notes, right, indirectly in the restream. So restream is pretty useful regarding if you want to do a lot of live streaming. So let's say I can set 2-3 streams at one point of time. So let's say this is a first stream. Now I can set up a second stream, then I can set up a third stream just here, and I will just leave once it will make it to the live, right? So Restream is pretty powerful tool, but obviously you have to pay for it. It's not exactly free. And this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.